Hi, my name is Fran, and this will be a very quick tutorial of how to change your funnels URLs in Clickfunnels. So here's an example. First of all, there are three places that you need to edit the URL. The first thing you need to do is set up the domain that you want to point at the funnel. And I have another video. I will link it right somewhere around here for you to check how to set up a domain or a subdomain in this case. Then once you have that, let's go up to settings inside your funnel. Let's go to settings. Make sure that the domain is correct here, that you're choosing the subdomain that you want to use. And the first place you need to set a path is here. This one is not going to be the path that you see in the browser, and I will show you which one will give you the right results. So here, just put a name that identifies it for you. As you can see, I have a 1 after it. Then we'll go back to the funnel, click steps, and here there are two places where you need to edit it as well. You can change it here, where you can see the URL. You can change this one. And once you click here, edit page settings, you see this path, and this is what you will see in the browser window. Once you type in the subdomain, this will always appear. So let me show you how this works. This is the name of the page, so it says opt-in. In this case, the subdomain go.createinner.com is pointing at that funnel. Here it is, but as you can see, it always shows this little path. So that's what your visitors will see. So here it is, and this is where you have to edit what will be displayed to your visitors. Okay? If you want to change the next page, the same thing. You click on the next step of the funnel, and here you'll have the same one as before. In settings, you will find another one, and here you'll click again on the little wheel, and you'll put the path that you want it to display. And once they opt in here and they get to the thank you page, that's what they will see. So that's basically it. That's how you set up your URLs in ClickFunnels. Make it look nice, make it look professional. If you want to see any more ClickFunnels tutorials, subscribe to this channel. Feel free to leave a comment if you want any specific tutorial, and I'll make it. And if you want to learn how to start earning from your content efforts, from the content you're creating, make sure you are subscribed, because there will be a lot of content and training on how to properly earn with your content.